What's going on, everybody? This is Kevin with Exploring with K&C. I'm super excited to tell you that today we're going to do our very first upgrade on this 5th gen Toyota 4Runner Stealth Taillights. So it's got this thick foam that it came in. Nice, covered with this. And there they are. I wanted to have that blacked out look, and then also I really like the sequence that the lights do when you start them up and signal and all that stuff, and I'll show you all that. But let's unbox these and take a closer look. There you go. Let's take a closer look. It's got this padding to keep everything undamaged. Very nice. Looks like it's plug and play. Here's the clip right here. And this guy, this is just to this is where all the heat from everything goes to that. So we'll find a nice place inside where we mount the tail light, and we'll stick that on some of the metal in there so it's out of the way and can do its thing. There's no damage. 4Runner lifestyle, my friends. All right, so let's get to installing this thing. All right, two tools that you're going to need for this. You're going to need a 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, or pry tool. So if you look right here, you'll see you've got a little notch here that's perfect size for a screwdriver. That simple. Okay, so now look at here. You've got the nut you got to remove right here, and another one that you got to move right here. I don't know if you can see that, but so let's remove those. We'll unclip these, swap them out. I'd say it's much improved already. Check that out. Now I just gotta plug it in, find a spot to stick that on the inside here. Put the nuts back in, cinch it down, onto the passenger side. Alright, so I've sprayed it with rubbing alcohol and I've wiped out the spot I'm going to stick this to. Notice it's got wires sticking out like this and like this, so you can't put it on something flat. It has to be something where it's kind of bridged, if you know what I mean. I found that spot right here. It's going to be right there. So I've got that good and clean now, and I just need to stick it on there. Now these wires, they're not touching it. And they've got it protected in this plastic here so that nothing can get against that and melt it. All right, so just got to get these 2 bolts on and on to the next one right here. Man, I really like that. I really like the white, that bright white and black combo, man. It really complements each other. All right, on to the next one. That should be it, my friends. What do you think? Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Now let's see, do they work? That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, as a special added bonus for this video, I have some overlays in flat black to go on these white door handles. Got to keep breaking it up, you know, this black-white thing I got going on here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up and get them on. What I was trying to tell you is the covers for the front doors, they have these openings for your sensors. Okay, the sensors, see those little lines right here? Yeah, you saw what it just did, right? Look at this. Well, it's because I already did it. So these are designed to go over that right there and not block your sensors. Don't go putting this on and blocking your sensors. That's not a good idea. These belong here. Okay. All right, so I've got those handles cleaned up. Now I just have to peel off the tape, or the tape cover rather, and set them on there. I've got a whole lot of boxes underneath the tree already. You know, I sold the Dodge Dakota. I got a pretty good price for it, and all that money has already been spent in upgrades for this 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. I'm gonna bring you along with me on this journey, and we're gonna make this thing awesome. It's already awesome. It's gonna be super awesome. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, put the notification bell on so you can see when I'm doing something new to this thing and you can watch it. It's gonna be a blast. Till next time, we'll see you out on the road.